Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our new lesson of English grammar. We have already completed 2 lessons of English grammar, and today we are going to start with new lesson of English grammar. Okay. The name of our lesson is the noun. What is name of our lesson? The noun. Now in this lesson, what is mean by noun? Noun means naming words, correct? You might have studied in first standard. In first standards English grammar book also nouns are given, and you have already studied about nouns. Nouns means what? Naming words. Naming words means what? Name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal, name of a bird. Such words are known as nouns. Correct? There are 4 to 5 types of nouns. Which are those? The proper noun, the common noun, the abstract noun, the collective noun. There are types of nouns, but for you, only what is noun? Only that much you have to study. Okay, types of nouns when you will go in third and fourth standard, that time you will study types of nouns. But now you have to only learn the definition of noun, and you have to, if I will tell you to underline noun, and you have to identify which word is noun. Keep in mind, noun means what? Name of a person, name of a place, name of an animal, name of a bird, name of a thing. These all words are known as nouns. I would like to repeat it again. Nouns means naming words. Now, name of a person means what? For example, Aditya, Abhay, then Sanskruti. Correct? These are names of what? These are names of people. Correct? Name of a place. If I want to tell you name of a place, then Pune, Mumbai, Nasik. Correct? Dhule. You can say more which Delhi. These all are names of places. Names of animals. Names of animals will come what? For example, if you are keeping name of a tiger like Raja, then name of animal is what? Raja. Correct? Then if you keep name of a dog, then what is name of a dog? For example, Moti is a name of a dog. Then Moti is what? Moti is a noun. Correct? More name of things. English book. Now, what is name of the book? English name of the book. Book is what? Book is, there are many books. There is EVS book. There is English book. There is Marathi book. There is IT book. When we will give you particular name, IT, correct? English, Marathi, maths. Such names are called nouns. Such names are called what? Such names are called nouns. So here I will read definition for you. Nouns are naming words of people, places, animals, birds, and things. Nouns are what? Nouns are naming words of people, places, animals, birds, and things. Such words are known as nouns. Such words are known as nouns. Now here example is given of nouns. Rahul and Usha live in Mumbai. Correct? They have a pet dog and a parrot. The dog sits at the gate. The parrot is in a cage. Now, in this sentence, which words are nouns? In this sentence, which words are nouns? Rahul is the name of a person. Usha is the name of a person. So, I am writing here Rahul, Usha. They are what? Names of people. Okay. Next one is, the next sentence is what? Mumbai. Correct. Rahul and Usha live in Mumbai. Mumbai is what? Mumbai is name of a place. So I am writing Mumbai. It is a name of is a name of place. Mumbai is what? Mumbai is name of a place. Now dog. The dog sits at the gate. Dog is what? Dog is also a noun. Correct? Dog is name of animal. It is an animal. Correct? Parrot is what? Parrot is a bird. Parrot is a bird. Have you got it? Gate and cage. They are names of things. Gate and cage. They are what? Names of things. Now just see, in one example only we have taken all name of a place, we have taken name of people, we have taken name of animals, name of birds, name of things. Once again I'll repeat. Rahul and Usha live in Mumbai. They have a pet dog and a parrot. The dog sits at the gate. The parrot is in the cage. Correct? These all words which I have underlined, those all words are what? They all are nouns. Now you will say dog is name of animal or what? It denotes, it tells about an animal. Correct? Dog tells about an animal. And when I will say Moti is a dog, then Moti will be proper noun. Which types of nouns which you are going to study in higher classes, when you will go in 3rd and 4th standard, that time you will study proper noun, common noun. In proper noun, what will come? Moti will come in proper noun. Dog will come in common noun. That we will see afterwards. At present, we are only studying about nouns. Then Rahul and Usha. Rahul and Usha are what? Names of people. Correct? There is a name of a boy and there is a name of a girl. Correct? So this is what? Name of a people. Mumbai is what? Mumbai is a name of place. It is a name of place. Dog is what? Dog is an animal. Name of an animal. Dog is what? Dog is a name of animal. Parrot is what? Parrot is name of a bird. Parrot is what? It is a name of bird. Next one is gate and cage. Gate and cage are what? They are names of things. That go and open the gate. Here it is told. The dog sits at the gate. Where does dog sit? Dog sits at the gate. Gate is what? It is a name of a thing. And cage is also what? It is also a name of a thing. In this way, we have studied what? Nouns. Nouns means what? Naming words of people, places, animals, things, and birds. And it can be anything, okay? It can be any other sentence. If I will tell you, if I will say, Manoj stays in Rahata with his pet cat and stays in Rahata with his pet cat and he loves to play cycle. Okay? He also has hens at home. He also has hens at home. He has what? He also has hens at home. Now in this sentence, what is name of name of a person, name of a place, name of a animal, name of a bird. I'll just rub it now, this one, okay? I'll just rub this part. Come on, let us start with this example. Manoj stands in Manoj stays in Rahata. Manoj is what? Manoj is the name of a person. So, it is the name of a person. Name of a person. So, Manoj is the name of a person. Correct? Next one is Rahata. Rahata is what? Rahata is name of a place. So, I am writing Rahata is a name of a place. Now, which animal is there in this sentence? Manoj stays in Rahata with his pet cat. Cat is what? Cat is the name of animal. Cat is what? Name of animal. And he loves to play cycle. Cycle will come in what? Cycle is the name of a thing. And bird is given a what? Yes. He also has hens at home. He also has hens at home. So hens will come in what? Hens will come in birds. In this way, you should able to underline or you should able to identify name of a person, name of a place, name of an animal, name of a bird, name of a thing. Correct? Manoj is what? Noun. Rahata is what? Noun. Cat is what? Noun. Cycle is what? Noun. Hens is what? Noun. Understood? In this way, we have completed the introduction of lesson. I think so you must have understood. Nouns means name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal, and name of a